Good morning, good morning. We're going to take you guys along with us today. We're going to do some fishing here in Jacksonville, Florida. We got a competition going on. We're going to see if the kids can catch more or the parents can catch more. We don't know what's up for stake, but we'll see. We're at our local fish market, Trout River Fishing Company, getting some bait to fish with. This is one of the things we love to do as a family. If you don't go fishing, you wouldn't know what we're going to do with this. You'll think that we're going to fry it up and eat it. These are some pretty shrimp today that we got from the bait shop. But these are indeed bait shrimp. So we're going to break these up. Some people put a whole shrimp on there. We don't do that. We don't, that's too much. So we're going to break just a little, maybe an inch of this shrimp off. And we're going to put it on our pole. This is my pole right here. I like to fish with a pin reel. I don't like spinner reels, but that's just my preference. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. All right, let's see what we can catch. I like to take the shell off. And no, I don't use gloves. That'd be too much going on for me. So about an inch, maybe a little bit more than an inch. Okay, so before I throw my pole back out, I just wanted to brag on a friend of ours. The one we went to go see in Texas. He gave us this new pole. It's an ugly stick. We got the Arbor Garcia on here. 7,000 C3. So it's throwing out nice and smooth. Out here and just having a nice peaceful time, and I thought about peace. Peace is something that was given to us, left by Jesus Christ. It's nothing that we have to really even say, God, give me peace, please give me peace. It's about receiving it because he left it for us. So we're in any situation that is chaotic, or if you're unsure about something, say, God, you know what? You left me peace. I receive peace. That's like leaving somebody, like Amazon coming by, leaving a package on your door. You don't have to say, Amazon, give me my package. Amazon is like, I left it at your door, you know? So now it's about receiving that peace. So I'm telling you from personal experience and just thinking about it. I'm like, man, you know what? You left me peace, God. It's mine. I already have it. So now I have to receive it. If that means coming out here, going fishing, just chilling, if that means sitting down and just meditating, going to yoga class. We ain't got to be deep. Going to yoga class, going and exercising, whatever brings you peace, you know. He left it for you. Make sure you receive it today, all right? Let's get back to these fish. See, the oldest boy got something. God dang it. I had to leave my pole. Just see. Let's see what it is. Oh, stingray. We don't want those. We've been out here for about an hour or so, almost 2 hours. We didn't catch one fish yet. It's like that sometimes. Sometimes the water is not giving. The water's not giving. So we're going to, since they're not biting, I'm going to go to the grocery store and I'm going to get something for us to bite on. So let's go. So can you believe that nobody caught nothing? Everybody had a story to tell about, oh, their pole was bending and they had something big. Ain't got time for that.
I can't say
I'm gonna eat something right quick. We got some fruit. Got me a kombucha. Got chicken. Oh, snap. Chicken, cantaloupe. We're just gonna have a good time. If we ain't catching nothing, we might as well eat something, huh? Mm-hmm.
I can't talk. I can't talk because I didn't get any bite, like any tabs, none of it.
None of it. Okay, let's eat then. Don't worry about it. Let's eat up. Yeah, we all washing our hands before we eat. They have a little faucet out here where you can get right. We're gonna need about 2 dozen of them.
I know, right?
Those are called angelfish. We call them angelfish. Some people call them spade fish. We're gonna call it dinner. We call it a grunt. We're not gonna keep it though. Hear that? Made it.
We got another one, baby. Another angelfish. McKill.
That's what I'm talking about, boy. Who get mad? Ain't nobody get mad. Who get mad?
Another piece of a whitey.
Let's go, dirty.
Dang.
What? They went overtime. Come over here, so I can check you out. Y'all, we wound up not betting nothing with these kids because the kids got more than the adults do. So we made the rules. We changed the rules.
No, no.
We didn't give you nothing. See, look at him.
No, 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 no.
Stop. But he was faking. Wow. Ew.
I really want to help it get to the hole, but...
We already got home. I took a shower. The boys got to take a shower. I was making sure I got in there and got out of there. But let's count the fish to see how many fish we have before they clean them and cook them. We got 1 whiting. Got an angelfish. If you don't drop that fish, it's gonna be me and you. 2. Yeah, you just drop them in. 4, 5, 6.
It's a croaker too.
That's not a croaker. That's a whiting.
It look like.
He look like a croaker. Now you don't make me miscount. Well, how many is that? So 3 you got me talking about crokers. 3 whitings and 4 angelfish. Okay.
Cold.
And this is a little pathetic one. My little cousin he wanted to keep that jack so bad, but it's okay. He gonna clean it. He gonna eat it.
You took the hook out of it. See that?
That's a little sea bass. How many is that, Daddy?
That's
10.
I thought you was counting.
Cole, put the other one in there. That's all of them?
Yeah, we just going. It's enough to feed everybody.
That's enough to feed everybody. So we got some fresh fish. I don't buy any fish. As far as buying it from a store, I never buy it. I will order it if we go out to eat. I'm kind of skeptical about doing that, but I love to catch it fresh. So, yeah, we got whiteys, sea bass, his little raggedy jack right there, and some angelfish. So we're going to be eating good. So we scale the fish under the water so the scales won't fly everywhere. So if you like to fish and you go fishing and you always scale your fish, like on a piece of newspaper on the table like we used to do back in the days, try getting a bowl of water, a big bowl of water in your sink like he's doing, and scale it under the water, and that will keep the scales in one spot for you. It'll be easier cleanup as well. So. And we just got this today from Walmart. It's the dual basket pro fry. So we had one for years, and it was time to get another one. It clocked out on us. So it comes with all the different settings, 2 different baskets, and then they got 1 whole basket. So we don't do a lot of frying. Sometimes we do, but we usually use our air fryer. But with fish, you just need some fish and chips fried. God bless the air fryers, but this time we're gonna do that grease. This is what we are frying the fish with today. This is our first time ever using this. Baby, you put the top back on there, please. It's the Louisiana fish fry product. Seasoned crispy fish fry, seafood batter mix. So we're definitely gonna see how it tastes. Picture looks good. We got fresh fish. We'll see. You got it? See it? So, nice and hard, nice golden brown. But we're gonna leave it in just a little bit longer because I like mine nice and crispy. So we can take it out right now if you like that, but I like mine. We like to eat ours nice and crispy. Oh, it looks good. This is whiting. So if you ever go to a seafood store, especially if you're here in Florida, and they say you want whiting, excuse Lily, but if they ever ask you, do you want whiting, then you know what you're getting. You might not get it like how we got it, but you're gonna get it. right? I have the angel fish, and you guys see how we cut that. We left the head on it and everything. Gutted it, slit it twice on both sides, and it flies. See, it fries straight through. So all you gotta do is take it and peel it off. That's all you gotta do. And just like that. And we're gonna see how this tastes. That Louisiana fry. How you think it tastes, Daddy?
Pretty good.
The Louisiana fry?
That's what it's called? Louisiana fry?
Yeah, the batter that's on it. He's so goofy.
That's good.
Okay, I'll be the one that really tastes and give you guys an honest opinion. He clowning. How many are you at?
Yeah.
Where's the third? Why are you whining? Why must you hit my head? Huh? Oh.
All right, we are full. The food was amazing. The deep fryer worked really good. It heated up real fast, got everything cooked nice and evenly. And then the Louisiana fish fry batter, I would definitely, suggest that you use it. I'll recommend it. It was not messy at all. I didn't have to deal with flour, seasoning, none of that. All I did was put the fish in there, fried it, and everything came out really good. So thank you guys for coming along with us today, and you all have a good one. See y'all on the next video.